everyone, I'm Tiffany of Tiffany Leigh Design, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an outdoor cantilever umbrella. Specifically, I will be demonstrating on the 11-foot cantilever umbrella from Hauser Furniture. This is a big umbrella. It is a 2-person installation, and I was very intimidated, but it actually went very smoothly. So you're going to need the umbrella itself along with the base. And the only other thing you're going to need is about 200 pounds of sand to fill the base. The bags are around $8 a bag. Step 1 is to open up the boxes and see what we're working with. The boxes have some pretty heavy duty staples, so I recommend wearing safety goggles and using a flathead screwdriver to pry those up. Open it up and assess, make sure you've got everything. Pull out those instructions. They're going to be your best friend. The next thing, and this is very important, you're going to have to strategically place the base of your umbrella. Once it's in place and filled with sand, it is extremely heavy and hard to move. We know this firsthand because we actually put our umbrella in the wrong spot. We found out as the day goes by, it should really be on the other side of our patio to protect our patio table, which is the whole reason we needed shade up here. So we are gonna have to figure that out. So make sure that you place it in the right spot. Assess the way the sun moves around your outdoor zone and where the block is going to need to be coming from to give you nice shady areas all day long. Once your base is where you want it, we need to get that lid off so that we can fill it with the sand that's going to keep the umbrella nice and sturdy and keep it from toppling over in the wind. To do this, we're going to use the steel winch that's included in your umbrella base. Unscrew the inverter plate, remove it from what they call the inverted plate stem, and this will allow you to pop that lid off. Once that lid is off, you'll see that there are these hollowed out sections in the base. You use your sand to fill up those sections. We used 4 bags, so about 200 pounds of sand. You have to be careful to avoid that center base stem channel because that can interfere with the function and movement of your umbrella once it's all put together. So just be careful when you're pouring the sand not to get any sand in that middle part. Once you're full of sand, you're going to carefully remove that inverted stem out of the base. Place the lid back onto that base to cover up all that sand. Put the inverted stem back in and screw it in nice and tight with that steel winch. You'll hear some clicking. That's when you want to stop. You don't want to over tighten this. Then you put the plate back into the stem and there are some bolts. You use the provided Allen key to get those bolts nice and tight. And now you're ready to install the umbrella. This part is pretty easy. You and a team member, in this case my lovely dad, lift up the umbrella right out of the box, take it over the base, and it sits right into the rotating hub, which is great. One person will hold the umbrella in place while the other person bolts it nice and tight into position. Next, the little crank lever gets installed onto the side of the umbrella. This is going to allow you to control the opening of the umbrella itself. And you're ready to go. You're ready to open up that umbrella. Before you do that, you want to make sure you're taking off all of the plastic because if you don't, as you're opening it, it could cause things to break. There is a foot pedal that allows you to rotate the umbrella fully and an arm that allows you to tilt it left and right into the perfect position for your sun protection. And there you have it, a beautiful umbrella that tilts, cranks, rotates. It is so great for shade on the patio. It looks beautiful. We went with the nice canvas white to complement our Hauser patio furniture that is also in the canvas white collection. We did the loft collection down on our patio. If you haven't seen our patio makeover video yet, you're gonna wanna check that out. Just like our patio furniture, we want to protect this investment with a cover. The cover for this one is actually very cool. It has a pole running through it to allow you to reach all the way up and over, and then the zipper is on a pulley, which is really neat because it's too tall to reach without a ladder, and this solves that problem. You're all zipped up and ready to go, good to store for the night until your next sunny day. An umbrella is a really important part of any outdoor setup for comfort and also for safety. As we know, the sun can be very damaging, and this umbrella fabric on these umbrellas provide UV protection, which is amazing, better for your skin, especially if you're fair like me, and it just keeps your guests more comfortable. Nobody is sweltering in the sun while you're playing a board game or eating lunch. Before we had this umbrella, our patio space up here was kind of unusable during the peak hours of the day. It just got too hot up here. And so this umbrella is really going to extend the life of our patio. We are so excited about that. We have short summers here and we want to enjoy them as long as we possibly can. I hope you found this video helpful. Good luck installing your own patio umbrella, and I will see you next time.